at my grandma's house. So we got a few kittens that followed as well. Yeah. We're getting the grass cut. Yeah. They just they followed. Fuzzkins over here. Kittens at play. Yeah, tablet. They're so cautious because they've never been over here before. They caution it. No, they're not. See, I've never been over here before. No, they can't get. Hopefully they can't get in. He's going for the silver building. He's going for the silver building. He's going for the silver building. There's nothing in the silver building that they can hurt themselves on, so they okay. Yeah.
He's laying flat where I can't see him. He laid down and see him.
Yeah.
All I can see is that the head and that M on his forehead.
It's Courtney. He's in the silver building. Fuzzkins is in the silver building. No. A hairbird. Gimli. And he's sniffing. We got that plan as well over here. So he's made it out of the silver building now. Sorry for the heavy breathing. If you hear that.